Do you have this abundance block? We all have blocks within us that are keeping us from allowing greater abundance and greater good into our life. Next week at the Vision Workshop, we're going to be uncovering what some of those blocks are and how to overcome them. So if you haven't registered for the Vision Workshop next week, you want to do that. It's a powerful day in getting clear on your vision and understanding those blocks that get in the way from us actually achieving our goals. Today we're talking about one specific abundance block, and you want to take a look and see if this is one of yours. One of the ways that we block abundance from coming to us is by having a lot of chaos and clutter. So think about your physical environment right now. Is there a lot of chaos? Is there a lot of clutter? Is your computer full of folders and files everywhere and you can't find anything? Do you have rooms in your house that are overflowing and every time you walk by them you feel overwhelmed? When we create clutter in our physical environment, it can prevent us from welcoming greater abundance into our life. How do we overcome that block? By removing the clutter, by creating space. If you start to think about clearing your physical space, is a way to make room for the new abundance and the new good. Think about a space in your home, maybe at your workplace or your vehicle that right now is cluttered or chaotic. And make a commitment right now to spend some time, start with just 5 minutes of clearing that clutter and notice how you feel. When we have a more organized physical space, we feel more organized in our mental space as well. So by clearing that clutter, that chaos, you'll be able to welcome more abundance into your life. Again, if you haven't registered for the Vision Workshop, I encourage you to do that. There are many different abundance blocks that we have that once we shine the light of awareness on them, we can transform them to welcome greater good into our life. So I hope to see you at the Vision Workshop on April 17th. Here is to you living a life you love.